Come here. Come here. That's little Summer. It's Daytona. She's sniffing my feet. Been out in the yard mowing the lawn. Jojo's litter will be 9 weeks old tomorrow. Daytona, no! No, you don't piddle there. You go potty there. I think I bumped somebody when I was telling her, moving my foot, and I bumped somebody. This is Soleil. No, that's Summer. This is Soleil. Get down together. Okay. Summer's turned into a feisty little thing. Well, she's always been a feisty thing, I guess. She don't take no crap from nobody. Okay, be nice, you guys. You're scaring her. No, Indy, you be nice. Indy, you be nice. Tona, you little silly girl. Monaco. Not you too. I have to throw that in the wash.